Let's talk about AI. If you've been online lately, you've heard the fear robots are coming for our jobs, our art, everything that makes us human. It's a fear as old as the first machines. Will we be replaced? Change is scary, especially when it's a machine that can write a poem or design a logo in seconds. The story of AI making us obsolete is everywhere. But is it the whole truth? We imagine a future where our creativity and expertise are worthless. But maybe that's not the real story. What if AI isn't about replacement but evolution? When you look past the headlines, you see something else. Humans with the most powerful tools in history. This isn't a zero-sum game. It's not us versus them, it's us with them. The fear comes from misunderstanding what AI actually does. These aren't sentient beings plotting our downfall, they're pattern recognition machines. They're powerful and fast, but they're not you. They don't have your experiences, your humor, your way of seeing the world. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to help you. That changes everything. The story isn't about losing our value, but about amplifying it. Let's rewrite the narrative. Here's the truth. AI doesn't have ideas. It has data, prompts, and instructions. It needs a human. It's ghost in the machine. You can't just say, be brilliant. You have to guide it, ask the right questions, and nurture the results. AI can generate 1,000 images, but it can't tell you which one sparks wonder or fits a brand's soul. The power isn't in AI's autonomy, but in how it extends our abilities. If you give it a lazy prompt, you get a lazy result. But a thoughtful prompt? That's where the magic happens. It's a partnership. AI brings speed and scale, but you bring the spark, the intention, the why. Without you, AI is a car with no driver, fast but directionless. We often imagine AI as having desires or creativity, but it doesn't. It just arranges data to match patterns. The soul, the judgment, the emotion, that's all you. AI is a force multiplier for your creativity, not a replacement. It can't start the journey or choose the destination. It's the ultimate co-pilot, but you're still the pilot. AI can't dream, hope, or feel nostalgia. It processes data, you provide meaning. The ghost in the machine isn't AI, it's us. It always has been. The future of creativity is human-led, AI-augmented. That's the real story. Think of AI as the brush, not the artist. A painter isn't defined by their tools but by their vision and skill. The brush enables the art, but it doesn't create it. AI is the most advanced brush ever, but it still needs a master. In practice, designers use AI to brainstorm, iterate, and refine, but their expertise shapes the final product. AI can generate endless options, but only a human knows which one truly fits. Marketers use AI for ideas, but human intuition picks what resonates. Coders use AI to automate the basics, freeing them to solve bigger problems. In every field, AI augments, not replaces. It's a creative assistant, handling grunt work so you can focus on strategy and vision. The value of the human shifts from execution to direction. AI is the ultimate assistant, but you're still the boss. You're still the artist. The vision is yours. Every tech revolution ends some jobs and creates new ones. The car replaced blacksmiths but created mechanics and engineers. The internet changed retail but gave us web developers and social media managers. AI is no different. New roles are emerging. Prompt engineers who craft the perfect questions for AI. AI content creators and artists who use generative tools as their medium. AI ethicists and trainers who guide responsible use and improve performance. These aren't niche jobs, they're the new core skills. Collaborating with AI is becoming essential. It's not about abandoning your skills, but adding a powerful new layer. The future belongs to those who learn to work with AI. It's the next step in your career's evolution. The opportunities are just beginning. For all its speed, AI has a limit. It lives in data, not experience. AI can write a love poem, but it's never felt love. It has the words, but we have the feeling. AI offers speed, humans offer soul. In what matters most, soul always wins. True creativity isn't remixing the past, it's inventing something new from human experience. AI can tell jokes, but it can't feel the joy of laughter or the connection of a shared joke. Humor, empathy, moral judgment, these are uniquely human. AI can recommend a strategy, but only a human can read the room and act with conviction. AI can write a legal brief, but only a human can argue with passion. AI brings data and speed. We bring context, wisdom, and heart. Our emotions and intuition aren't flaws, they're our greatest strengths. In a world of AI, our humanity is more valuable than ever. That's our edge. So where does this leave us? Not at the edge of obsolescence, but at the start of a new chapter. We can see AI as a threat, or as the most powerful tool we've ever had. The choice isn't to fight AI, but to lead with it. This isn't the end of your story, it's your next evolution. Embrace curiosity and lifelong learning. Play with these tools. Write a poem, create an image, ask a complex question. The more you engage, the less mysterious AI becomes. You'll see it as a tool you can direct and control. This is your invitation. Augment your intelligence, amplify your creativity, and focus on what only you can do. The future belongs to those who work with AI. Artists, scientists, entrepreneurs, those who collaborate with AI will shape what's next. Don't be afraid, be curious, be bold, lead. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. The challenge is to become more strategic, more creative, more human. The future isn't written, and the best part, we get to write it together, with these new tools in our hands. Let's get to work. The next chapter is